Stitch Fix quick turnaround redo. So it looks like there might be the skirting here that I requested for my next fix and the size up for me. So let's see what I have, and I'll do a quick try on and see if there's any keepers in here. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing and try on of Stitch Fix. Okay, this is a quick turnaround. Last couple boxes I haven't kept, well, I think I kept one item. So they're offering me these quick turnarounds. I'm like, yeah, why not, you know? I have the style pass, so it doesn't cost me anything to receive the box. I've already paid my $49 for the year. Normally it's a $20 styling fee, and that is applied to anything that you keep. So, oh, there's a piece of jewelry in here. All right, let's start with the jewelry. Oh, these are cute. Look at these. Gold loops with gold and silver little beads on them. So those are pretty cute. Depends on the price. Actually, those are really cute. All right, so off to a good start, depending on the price. Okay, this cute top. Oh shoot, okay. So very cute on the front. Love the print, the colors that are on here. It's more like a pink and a little bit of red. Looks like it's got a little blue in there. And then here's the back. I don't do mixed media tops. And then it's got some crochet in there. That's cute. Okay, looks like it's longer in the back, but you know, you never know till you try it on. Never know. And I did ask for bright colors. Okay, I think I might have seen this on somebody. Pretty blue. I know you guys tell me I need to wear more blue. So this is a possibility. It looks like it's got a knot right here. It's not really a knot, it kind of folds over, but it's off to the side, so I like that. Short sleeves, that's cute, it's all stretchy. Gives you room for those potato chips. It's a bright color. Oh, I could have used this on vacation. Reminds me of tropical. It's a dress. Looks like a good length. It's got elastic right here. Does it have pockets? No pockets. Why do we like the pockets so much? So that's kind of cute. We'll have to see how that looks on. It's a bright orange. You will see me coming. You won't lose me. I hope this is, oh, the skirt. So she must have sized up. I didn't read the note or anything. I just pulled everything out. I'm just so excited. Okay, here's the skirt. Asked her to size me up to an 8, I think. Yes, but, okay, you guys, I have to tell you something that happened. We were going through some things out in our storage out back, and I've had some clothes in there from when I lost weight that they were just too big and I was going to donate. Well, I was going to take them, I wanted to donate them to a women's shelter instead of to Goodwill. Well, I never got around to it. So then we finally are deciding, like, okay, we gotta clean this out. We gotta get these clothes out of here. And we started going through them, and we're just like, whatever we don't want's going to Goodwill. That's it. We don't have time to mess with anything else. Well, guess what? I found some skirts in there. Yeah, skirts, size 10 that I'm wearing that fit. So this might be too small. And when so I'm glad I still have these things. What was I gonna tell you? Oh, when I had lost my weight through Weight Watchers, I could just pull them on without snapping or button or anything. That's, you know, I didn't have all this hip. I'm still small, I get it. I know I am, and I'm okay with it. I just wanna firm up. So I'm happy to have them, actually. So I'm gonna try this on. I hope it fits. I might have to size up to a 10. That's okay. Yeah, that's fine. All right, let's get to a try on. Okay, this top is by Fortune and Ivy. It's really cute. It's got the V-neck, beautiful print. It has the stitching, I don't know what you call that, embroidery on the top here. It's a really nice length. The top, this part is not stretchy at all. but the back is. The buttons. Kind of cute. Yeah, it's a cute top. Okay, let's talk about the skirt from Liverpool. Okay, yeah, it's too tight. I need to size up again. I'm just not comfortable in it. So I think it looks okay. It does have the zipper and the snap. It has the pockets. They're pulling a bit. It's just, you know, it's just too tight. I'm just not comfortable. I'd rather have a little more room to grow in because I don't know what's going to happen with this weight. I don't know if it's age. I don't know if it's COVID. It definitely has something to do with potato chips and dip. But I think it looks okay. It's a great length. So I think I'm going to exchange it this time for a size 10. Yeah. Okay, let's try something else on. This is by 9 Britain. There's a lot of stretch in it. It's got it's not really a knot. It's just, well, it's just kind of gathered and attached right there. And it's off to the side, which is nice. It's just got your basic round neck. I mean, it's a cute top. It's got the stripes, the white stripes in it. I don't know. Doesn't excite me. It's cute, it's nice, but I don't know if it's actually anything that I will actually gravitate to, like, oh, I gotta wear that. Those are the clothes I'm looking for, are the ones that's like, oh, I like that, I wanna wear that. This is okay, but I know this is gonna be a no. I like the color, and I know you guys are gonna say something about the color, but no, I don't know though, I shouldn't say that. We'll have to see what the price is. All right, I'll try on the dress. Cute dress. Okay, they call this a red, I call it an orange. It's really pretty. It's, I don't know. I mean, it's nice. I'm not overly excited. I'm trying, but I'm just not overly excited. I mean, this would be great for vacation. It would be perfect for vacation. It's got the elastic, which I typically don't like, but this works out because it gives you a little bit of a waist, and I like how it's a little puffy. So, and the side, does it go up? No, it's just straight, I think. And then back. You could add a belt, which would be really cute. It's not lined. I don't feel like there's much material here because it's not lined. Okay, this is a size medium. I need a medium for my hips, but my top is typically a small. So here's the problem. Look at that. That's not a good look in a dress. Yeah, that's just not a good look. So, I mean, it's kind of cute though. I mean, this is perfect. This is a perfect dress for vacation. It's really cute. No pockets or anything. But like I said, it's so thin. I feel like I need a liner or lining or something on the bottom, but oh well. Let's do a quick review. Okay, what do you guys think? How did Emma do with my quick turnaround? I think it's pretty good. But are there any wow pieces? I'm looking for the wow pieces, not the pieces that I like, but the ones that I'm like, oh, I'm gonna wanna wear that. Okay, let's start with this dress. This is by 41 Hawthorne, and it's really cute. I do like the style of this, and this is perfect for what I'm looking for just to put on and wear around the house. I wish it had a little stretch. There's like no stretch in this at all. And it's too big up here, and it just feels so thin because there's nothing on the bottom. I don't know. I would prefer a liner. $48 for this dress. So I don't think that's bad. Okay, let's talk about these earrings. These are by Jill Michael, and I decided not to put them on because I'm not gonna keep them. They are $28, but I just have other earrings I like better, and I think you're gonna hear these beads moving around when they're in your ear. So for that reason, I'm returning these. I'm not keeping them. I won't reach for them. I have other earrings that I prefer to wear. I wear the same things over and over again. I like what I like. What can I say? I am a creature of habit. Okay, this top. This is really cute until you get to the back, which is cute. It's just not for me. Don't typically like the mixed media. How much is this? This is, where is it? Mixed media, Fortune and Ivy, $38. I think the prices are good, $38. I think that's really good. So there's stretch in the back, no stretch in the front. And here's the, I don't know how well I showed you the print. It's really pretty, but no, that's gonna be a no. Okay, the blue striped top, which is by 9 Britain. It's 34, oh, that's a size small. It seemed like it was a little big. $34, not a bad price. It feels like, I'm not excited. No, sorry, I'm not excited. What can I say? Beautiful color. It feels like a man's t-shirt to me. Am I crazy? That's what it kind of looks like until you get to the little knot at the bottom. I didn't like it. I'm not crazy about stripes. Really, stripes going that way across the bum. No, no thank you. Okay, the last item is the skirt. All right, this time, instead of requesting it in my next box, I'm gonna size up in this. This is by Liverpool. You can feel the quality in this. This is a nice, thicker, and maybe because I've had this on is why this feels so thin. Because this is really a nice quality. It's got some stretch in it by Liverpool. This is the Maggie Skirt, $68. Okay, that's kind of expensive, but $68, I mean, I will get a ton of wear out of it when I get the right size. So I'm hoping they have a size 10. So that's it. I mean, I'm not gonna do another quick turnaround. No, I'm gonna take a little break and yeah, just need a little break, I think. I don't know how long. I might have withdrawals, so, oh goodness. But that's it. That's all I have. So if you guys are interested in trying Stitch Fix, the style fee is $20. You'll get a $25 credit, and I'll receive a $25 credit if you use my referral link. And if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount also. It's pretty good. And shipping's free. They give you an envelope, prepaid. You just drop it off at the UPS store, or the USPS post office. And that's it. That's all I have to do. That's all I have, you guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.